Well, do you live with one? A snorer? If you are, you're not alone. It's estimated that 90 million hack the saw nightly. That's a third of the adult population in the United States. Now, there are some solutions on the market, but a lot of them are just gimmicks, and the surgeries can be extremely invasive. But now there's a new outpatient procedure offered right here in the Bay Area, which says it can eliminate snoring in 10 minutes. NBC Bay Area's Vicki Nguyen goes to check it out.
The sound of one person in a deep slumber often means another person is wide awake.
He would tell me, hey, he would wake me up, you're snoring. And I was convinced that he was just dreaming.
Jill Kunisawa is a newlywed. Having lived alone most of her life, she had no idea she snored. But when the honeymoon was over, her snoring began to take a toll.
He just looked tired and devastated in the morning, and I felt really guilty.
According to the National Sleep Foundation, 23% of couples sleep in separate beds because of snoring. Kunisawa was determined not to start her marriage sleeping apart.
So I'm going to have you open.
So she went to Sereno Snoring Center in San Francisco, where a new procedure cured her snoring in just 5 minutes. The pillar procedure stiffens the soft palate, and the nasal turbinate procedure relieves blocked nasal cavities.
These procedures are designed, they're minimally invasive. They require little, if any, discomfort and little, if any, downtime, so patients resume their normal activities right after the procedure.
For Kunisawa, that's going back to being a new wife.
I can't imagine being married and not sleeping in the bed with your husband.
A husband who's now sleeping at night.
I'm so happy.
Vicki Nguyen, NBC Bay Area News.
And I bet he is too. Doctors say not everyone is a candidate for the procedure. Consultation is $100. The procedure is about $3,600. It's also FDA approved to treat mild to moderate sleep apnea.
Well, time now to turn to the weather. The heat is on. It's going to be steaming tomorrow.
Yeah, if you thought it was hot today, tomorrow.